Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reschedule meetings with Dola AI in 2026. Sometimes your plans change, and a meeting that was scheduled for one time needs to be moved. Instead of manually searching through your calendar and editing every detail, you can use Dola AI to help manage the change with a simple natural language request. First, open Dola AI and make sure your calendar is connected. Then, identify the meeting you want to reschedule. It's important to know the meeting name, date, or other details so Dola can identify the correct event. For example, you can say, "Move my team meeting tomorrow from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m." Dola can use the information in your request to identify the meeting and prepare the updated schedule. You can also change the date. For example, you could say, "Move my project meeting from Friday to Monday at 11 a.m." If Dola asks you to confirm the change, review the new details before accepting it. When rescheduling an important meeting, always check the date, time, duration, participants, and time zone. A small scheduling mistake could cause someone to miss the meeting. You can also change only one part of an event. For example, if the time stays the same but the date changes, clearly tell Dola the new date. If only the duration needs to change, specify the new duration. After the meeting has been updated, open your connected calendar and verify that the original event has been changed correctly. If other people are invited, make sure they receive the updated information through your calendar system. For recurring meetings, be especially careful when making changes.